Open File Manager. Create a folder with name git-learn. Open the folder and in path type cmd to open command prompt. Then type code space dot to open folder in Visual Studio Code. Now the folder is visible with not files in Visual Studio Code. Create a file with name main.py and sample.java. Open a new git bash terminal. And check for git version. If git is installed correctly, then it will show git version 2.x.x. Git uses git config to set your name, email, editor, and many other preferences. To set your name type, git config, global user.name, your name. For example, I used admin as name and email as admin@gmail.com. Git config lets you control how Git behaves, your username, email, editor, colors, etc. Let's start by checking our configuration. Git config list. Now the username and email is set. The first step is to initialize Git in folder. Check Git is initialized in folder. If not, it is not a Git repository. Type command git init. This creates a new Git repository with hidden folder name .git. Now, check what files are untracked. Using command git status. The red ones are the untracked files. Now the second step, adding file to staging area. Type git add main.py to add in staging area. The main file is added to staging area marked as green and it is not committed. The last step is to commit the file. Once files are staged, commit them. Git commit m initial commit. That's it. You just created a repo, added files, and made your first commit. You can check the status. It shows nothing added to commit message. To check commits, use git log. It shows the who and when committed it, commit ID and message. To see in short, use command git log, one line. It shows the commits in one line. Adding some content to the file. Now save the file, or you can turn on the autosave in Visual Studio Code. Just go to Settings, type Autosave in search bar, and set to After Delay. Now it saves file when you make changes in file. The file is modified. Check using git status. Now repeat the step 2 and 3 as done in previous, using command git add and git commit. Now, check the status. Shows the nothing added to commit means the file is clean. Using git log command to check the commits. Now the working tree is clean. Thank a lot for sticking till the end. If this video helped you understand Git better, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends who are learning Git. Also, feel free to comment your doubts or suggest the next topic you want me to cover. Your ideas help me plan my next videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you all in another awesome tutorial. Take care.